You here to kill me, sir? I mean, why else would you be here?
No, actually, I'm here to help. I'm your lawyer.
How can you anyone help me? Right now, I'm at the mercy of people who would rather kill me than listen to what a black man has to say.
Well, to me, you're just an ordinary human being who's innocent until proven otherwise.
You're not like the others, I guess. What's your name?
Atticus.
Oh. Why are you here?
It's just, I never intended for this to happen, Tom. It was my father's fault. He made me do this.
I see. What you're doing is a poor excuse for an apology.
Thanks, here's your apology. Oh, Tom. I wished we could have lived somewhere far away so we could be in love.
That might be true, but it never stopped me from loving you.
Oh, Tom! Oh, Tom! Okay, good night, Jim.
Hey, Atticus. Can you tell me about Mom again?
It's late, Jim, and you have school tomorrow.
Please?
Okay, how about this? If you wait till tomorrow for me to tell you about Mom, I'll give you my gold watch when you're older.
Really? Okay then, deal.
Okay, good night, my love. Hi, Walter.
Hi, Scout.
Hey, I'm sorry for how I acted at dinner last night.
It's okay.
I'm just not used to seeing that.
It's okay.
Hey,
Yes.
how did you know all that farm stuff at dinner last night?
My dad teaches me.
That's cute. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, Jem, we should throw rocks at Boo Radley's house.
I don't know, Dill. That seems pretty crazy.
No, we might get Boo Radley to come outside.
What if we break a window?
No! We'll be careful.
The rock.
No. Hey, what are you guys doing?
Throwing rocks?
Atticus says not to mess with the Radleys.
Mind your own business.
I'm gonna tell Atticus.
I don't think so.
Oh, you pushed me.